just got off from work today and grabe, sobrang nakakapagod. You know, those days na gusto mo na lang umuwi, maligo, at kumain ng comfort food. And today, our comfort food is kimchi jjigae. It's hot, it's spicy, comforting, and perfect after a long day. Fun fact, kimchi jjigae actually started in Korea as practical home meal. People use aged kimchi para hindi masayang. Then nilalagyan ng pork, tofu, and broth. Simple lang siya before, pero ngayon, comfort food na siya for millions of people. And honestly, minsan, ganito rin yung buhay. Yung akala mong leftover problems, pwede palang maging something valuable later. And speaking of stress and real life, grabe rin yung crowd sa Senate hearing today. Daming tao, daming emotions, daming opinions online. Pero habang nanonood ako, naisip ko na lang, regardless of politics, most Filipinos really just want one thing. Stability, trabaho at bahay, security para sa pamilya. And that's exactly what I want to discuss today. Kung minimum wage earner ka, huwag mong isipin na imposible magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Maraming hindi nakakaalam na meron tayong pag-ibig financing. Kung bitin ang salary mo, pwede ka kumuha ng co-borrower as an option. At flexible terms para depending on your situation. Hindi mo kailangan maging milyonaryo agad. Ang kailangan mo lang, realistic plan at tamang guidance. If gusto mong malaman kung paano mag-start, kahit beginner ka pa lang, message mo lang ako. I'm your real estate broker, a licensed real estate appraiser, a real estate professional, pwedeng tumulong.